So you want to stop having water damage in your house, but want a smart home solution for it? Well, we've got you covered with this water shutoff valve by Dome. Let's take a look at it. Hey, Josh here from Gross Technology, and we all love going on vacation, leaving the house and not thinking about work and not having to worry about anything. But to be honest, we all worry when we leave, because as we're leaving, usually did you turn off the stove? Did the electric get turned off where I need it to be? Or are we gonna have a fire? But worst of all, are we gonna have a flood when you get home? And a lot of those issues can be solved by having smart home automation in your house. And I want to talk to you about that in this video. Hey, so this thing is pretty awesome and actually really easy to set up. You literally just need to make sure you have power capabilities or close enough to where you can plug this in, and all you do is you strap one side up to one end of your pipe, which can fit up to a 1.5 inch pipe all the way down to 1/2 inch pipe, and then you just center this over top of your valve and you're set to go. So let me take you underneath the house and show you exactly how to set it up. Hey, so as you can see, we're not underneath my house. What I found out was when I went underneath there and found that my shutoff valve is not compatible with this. So make sure you do check out what kind of shutoff valve you have for your home. You'll find it either by the hot water tank or under your house. It'll be a valve, literally, you can twist it. Mine, unfortunately, was not a brass ball valve, and it needs to be a brass ball valve for this system. So we're going to make one. I'm using a 1/2 inch brass ball valve, just a 1/4 turn, shut off and on, and we're going to put it on, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Alright, so there we go. I have installed it on our imaginary main line. Obviously, you want to make sure, the biggest thing is make sure the bottom nut of the Dome shutoff valve lines up with your actual shutoff valve, so it can be the main pivot point for this arm, which is on a motor, will swing out and turn off the valve. Make sure, again, you are somewhere near a power source because it won't be any good for you. All right, we are plugged in, and literally there is 2 options to be able to do this. You have a button here that you can push, and it turns the valve. Now, where you can get this into being an automated system is with a leak detector. As you see, I already have a leak detector set up, so we just got to go into an automation, make a new one. When the water detector detects water, make sure it's one that's not like gonna get set off by, you know, the humidity being too high or something silly. You're gonna want to make sure your main water shutoff valve is not controlled by something that's in the bathroom and the shower is going to, you know, you spill a little water and all of a sudden now you don't have any water. So make sure the main one that you are setting up for this is in a place that's very important, say behind the shower, your main pipe's there, or your main hot water tank. You know, those are the type of places that you want to make sure you have. If there's a leak there, it's going to be a big leak. So make sure it's not something that's going to set it off too easily. So then what you do is you automate it. When this sensor detects water, this shuts the valve off. It's as simple as that. It can set you a... Thank you. It can send you an alert, say that the water has been shut off and that the water has been detected, and then you can actually, you know, call your friend that has a key to be able to get in the house. I guess I didn't need this extra pipe. But you can set it up to where you don't have to worry now that your main shutoff valve is off. The house is not going to be flooded. You're not going to have water damage anymore in your house just because you're on vacation. And you can either set it up to where somebody can go over, fix the plumbing while you're gone, and then they can just, as simple as that, push the button, let the water valve turn back on, and ta-da! You are good to go when you come home and you don't have any issues. So having peace of mind while you're on vacation that your house isn't going to flood or going to burst pipes, going to damage all of your basement and everything like that is, to me, worth getting a system like this put up, because it's something that when you're gone, yes, you may not always think about it, but when you come home, you're going to wish you had thought about it or had somebody be able to go check out your house to make sure there isn't any kind of damage, there isn't a fire, those kind of things. So these are how having smart home products and automations in your house can make it so that you do have that luxury of not having to worry all the time. Is the garage door open? Well, I can pull up my phone and check. No, it's not. It's already closed. Or, hey, yes, I did leave it up. Let me close that. Now it's closed. Is my water going to be leaking and I'm going to have a water damage? Well, I'm safe now, because if there is a water problem, my main shutoff valve to the house will shut off, and then I won't have more water damage. So having these different kind of automations, you can get it to where you can have lights turn on and off, so that way it makes it look like somebody's home, so that you don't have a theft or a burglar while you're away, or even have a DIY smart home security system even in your house with the cameras or motion sensors or door sensors. I mean, there's so many things that having smart home automation products in your home can really give you peace of mind for multiple things, and this is just one of the great things that Dome has made for that ability. Well, that is the episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like. Down below is anything information, links to Dome's website, links to smart things. All that information is in the description below. Make sure you do leave some comments down below. Let me know, have you ever had an issue where you left your home on vacation and came back and had an issue, water leaking or the garage door or fire or something in that realm, that these kind of products would be able to help you with those issues and really give you the peace of mind. Do you think that's worth having in your house? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, God bless you guys. My name is Josh, and this was the Gross Tech Show. See ya. Hey, wait, don't leave yet. There are other videos that we have on our channel that I think you would enjoy. The one up here at the top is recommended just for you, so make sure you check that out. If you don't like that one, there's a video down below that I think you would really enjoy watching, so make sure you watch one of those.